Here we are at Southern Idaho RV Marine again to take a quick peek at this 2019 RPod 190. It does have a 2-burner little range top out here with sink, outside speakers with awning, the nice oversized tires, pass-through storage underneath. Got your spare tire with a little storage rack back there. All your dump stations, your slide out, outside shower. As you come in, you have a nice large U-shaped dinette with storage above, your 2-burner stove with microwave and refrigerator, a little bit of storage over here with your TV, all your control centers. Towards the front area here is your bed. Your bathroom. If you have any questions on this unit or any others, please just give us a call, 208-324-4661. Thank you.